Hi guys, this is a forming and solving shaped equations with the unknown on both sides. I've called this part 1 tricky because if you're on a foundation, this is going to be tricky. If you're on a higher, probably not. But I'm going to leave it as tricky. Given that the triangle below is an isosceles, find the value of m. So I've got my value of m. So we know that they're the same size are the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2m plus 17 equals 4m minus 41. So I need to find out what m is, and to do that we're going to do usual algebra. So I'm now going to take the 2m over there, it's the biggest number, so I'm going to go 4m. That's going over the equal sign, so it becomes a negative, which gives us 2m. And this 17 here stays, and we move the number over the equal sign, so it becomes a plus 41. So we're left with 2m and 56. Now we're going to divide by 2. So we now have m equals 29. So we've found out our m. Next one, determine the size of the angles below. It's my, what I call a dicubo. Both the same. So we do exactly the same. 2x plus 18 equals 3x plus 9. Do exactly the same thing. So we're going to do 18 minus 9. So I've took the 9 over, it becomes a negative. And I've done 3x. Take that over, it becomes a negative 2x. So what we're left is x equals 9. So now we've got to work out, determine the size of the angles. Now we've got the x, we can substitute them in, plug 9 in wherever there's an x. So we've got 2, 9 plus 18. 2 times 9 is 18 plus 18 equals 36. 36 degrees. Do you need to redo that? No, because they equal the same, they're the same angle. However, I would tend to, just to check. I always like to check my answers. 3 times 9 is 27 plus 9 equals 56. I'm very confident that that's right. So the next one, the perimeter of the hexagon is equal to the perimeter of the square. Find the value of p. So it's literally telling you how to write it there, isn't it? So it's the perimeter of the hexagon is equal to. So we'll do it here, 6 4p minus 5. Should be a minus. Equals 4 3p minus 3 centimetres. A bit messy, sorry. Okay, so let's work it out. So that's going to be 24p minus 30 equals 12p minus 12. Nice and simple. And we're going to do exactly the same. So I'm going to take this 12 over. So I've got 24p minus 12p. And then here I'm going to take that 30 over. It becomes a plus. So it's going to be 30 minus 12. So what we have left is 18 and 12p. So it's going to be 18. P equals 18 over 12 which is equal to 1.5. So the answer is 1.5. And the final one is find the area of the square below. So we're going to find the area of that square. And to do that, we're going to do 4k minus 3 equals 9 minus 2k. Do the same. So we're going to take the 2k over to the 4k. Becomes a plus. Leave the 9 where it is. Take the 3 over. It's a negative. So that becomes a plus. So we're now left with 6k equals 12. And we know when you divide it, k becomes 2. So we find k. K equals 2. Now we can find out the area. And to find out the area, we're going to do 9 minus 2. 9 minus 4 equals 5. And we're going to put 4. 2 minus 3, 8. Minus 3 equals 5. So we've now found that plugging in our 2 into our equations, we have 5 and we have 5. So how do we find the area? It's the length times the height. So we're going to do 5 times 5 equals 25 centimetre squared. And remember, when it's an area, it's squared. And remember, a square flat shape is a 2D shape. So that's it. So I hope you find them useful. I'm going to do a trickier one next, where there's more algebra involved. But for now, these are still tricky to sum. Yeah, good luck. Bye-bye.